Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve a trigonometric problem. Here it is in triangle ABC, right angle at B. If tan A is given, tan A is 1 by 2, then we'll have to find the value of sin A, that is in bracket cos C plus cos A, and whole term is divided by cos C in the bracket sin C minus sin A. So friend, please give thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. So friend, if you look at here, we have the value of A angle, tan A angle given 1 by 2, and we have been asked the value of angle A as well as angle C. So here it is given right angle at B. So let's draw the triangle. So it's our triangle ABC. So it's a triangle right angle at B and A, B and C. Now here the value of tan A is given A value. So for tan A we'll take this angle, then our perpendicular will be BC, this will be our perpendicular, and this line AB will be our base, and it is our hypotenuse. So we know the formula of tan theta. So tan theta is perpendicular divided by base. So here perpendicular is 1, so it is 1, and base is given 2, so it is 2. So now we'll have to calculate the value of hypotenuse, and we know the hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square. So here the perpendicular is 1, so 1 is square is 1 plus base is 2, so 2 square is 4, so it will be 5. So the value of hypotenuse will be square root 5. So the hypotenuse for the angle A, it is 5 square root 5. So here in the questions we have two angles value. We'll have to find the value of C angle also. Now let us draw another triangle for the C angle. So let us take this as a C, and this is right angle at B and A. Now for the taking angle C, then base is BC, it is our base, and it is perpendicular is opposite to the angle, and the longest side is hypotenuse, so this is our hypotenuse. So now for the angle C, this is our base will be 1, the perpendicular remains the opposite of the angle, so this is perpendicular for the angle C. So perpendicular here is 2 and hypotenuse is common, and the hypotenuse is common, that is 5, so it will be 5. These are the value for the C angle. Now in the next step we'll calculate the value of this term. For this we'll have to calculate the value of sin A, means sin theta. So sin theta formula is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Next is cos, so it is cos theta is base divided by hypotenuse. Now if you look at the next terms are cos, sin and sin, so we can calculate from here. Now in the final stage we'll put the value of all identities here. Now it is sin A angle. For the sin A angle, here it is A angle. The sin theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1, so it is 1 divided by hypotenuse square root 5, so it is square root 5 in the bracket cos C. Now for the angle C, and the cos is base divided by hypotenuse, so here base is 1 divided by hypotenuse, it is square root 5, and now it is plus and cos A. Now for the value of cos A, and cos value is base divided by hypotenuse, so base here is 2 and hypotenuse is square root 5, so 2 divided by square root 5 and bracket close, and whole term is divided by cos C. Now cos is base divided by hypotenuse, and for the angle C the base is 1, so it is 1 divided by hypotenuse square root 5, it is square root 5, so it is square root 5, and in the bracket, and next term is sin C. Now for angle C, sin is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular here is 2, so 2 divided by hypotenuse is square root 5, so it is square root 5 minus sin A. Now for angle A, now the next term is sin A. Sin theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular here is 1, so 1 divided by hypotenuse is square root 5, so it is square root 5 and bracket close. So now we'll simplify this. Here 1 over square root 5 in the numerator and denominator will be cancelled, and in the next term 1 divided square root 5 plus 2 divided by square root 5 will be 3 divided by square root 5, and that is divided by here 2 square root 5 minus 1 square root 5 is 1 by square root 5. Now let's simplify it as 3 by square root 5 and will be multiplied. Now we'll change it. It will be square root 5 divided by 1. So here square root 5 in numerator and denominator will be cancelled. So the answer of this question will be 3. So here we have calculated the value of this term. This is 3. This is our answer of the question. So friend, how my video is, do not forget to leave your comment in the comment box and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.